Good morning, children. I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. This is your computer class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 2, using Windows 10 operating system. How we can use Windows 10 operating system and what are its features. Why we should use Windows 10 and how can we work on it. What are the icons. So in this chapter further we are going to learn about the need or the importance of Windows 10 operating system. What are the different kinds of software or the operating systems that we use in our computer. There are many other operating systems that are installed in the computer like Windows 7, Windows 8, Vistas, Linux, Linux के भी other versions, Windows 9 and now Windows 10. So there are different operating systems that are installed in computer system. Now in this chapter we are going to learn about the PC icon. You must have seen in your computer the PC icon. That we will learn further and then we will understand about the file explorer, what are the file and folders, how to rename the file, how to form a new folder, how to open any file which is stored in the computer system, or how we can rename the files. So there are various things that we are going to study and learn in this chapter, and I hope that you all should understand it and try to do the practical of these in your desktop if you have at your homes. Okay, so let's see further what we are going to study in this chapter.
Let's understand what is an operating system and what are its needs. We need something to power up computers. As a computer, it is just a machine. It will not work until some instructions are given to it. These instructions are given to a computer by an operating system, which performs all the main tasks such as providing a user with a medium to interact with the computer and connect to devices, for example, a printer. Which means that when we have to start a computer or when we have to work on the computer, it always needs a system. Okay, our computer will never work until if we give any instructions or informations to it. It is very important for a computer to have a system like an operating system which can perform all the main tasks, which can give the computer instruction to interact with the other computers and connect other devices also like printer, joystick, mouse, keyboard. These all are controlled by the operating system. Okay, some of the operating systems as follows: Microsoft Windows, Mac OS and Linux based operating systems such as Ubuntu, Unix like operating systems such as Android and iOS, and Unix based operating systems such as Solaris. These are the different operating systems which we use in the computer system to make it operate. Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular operating systems available for platforms such as desktops and tablets. It is developed and released by Microsoft. Popular versions of MS Windows include Windows XP, Windows 7 and Windows 8. Windows 8 is the latest version. Out of all these operating systems, the most popular version of operating system is the Microsoft Windows, which is used generally in desktops and tablets. And this software is developed and released by Microsoft, and it has popular versions which are in different versions like Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 10. And out of these, Windows 10 is the latest version which you see in your desktops or in your laptops. This PC icon. This icon is located in our Windows software. This PC window is divided into two sections, main window and left section. We have to remember few points in this PC icon. The backward and forward buttons are used to navigate backward and forward from a folder. That means the buttons which are of backward and forward options, they use to move the folders backward and forward from the other folders. Second, the address bar can also be used to move to a particular folder by clicking on its name. वी कैन मूव द एड्रेस बार. हम लोग एड्रेस बार को मूव कर सकते हैं किसी और पर्टिकुलर फोल्डर में बाय क्लिकिंग ऑन इट्स नेम, उसके नेम पे क्लिक करके. थर्ड, द सर्च बॉक्स अलाउज अस टू क्विकली सर्च द फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर्स बाय टाइपिंग द नेम इन इट. If we want to search for any files and folders, we can quickly search it in search box. Fourth, this PC is displayed in the left section along with the other tools such as Quick Access Bar, OneDrive and Network. Quick Access Toolbar. Quick Access Toolbar gives the user an access to the system properties via Properties and allows the user to create a new folder via New Folder. The Quick Access Toolbar can be customized by clicking on Customize Quick Access Toolbar. It allows us to add tools to the Quick Access Toolbar, and it also lets us to do different things such as restore, minimize and close this PC, which means that this toolbar gives us the access to the system properties through which we can change the properties of the computer system. We can create new folders with the help of new folder icon, and we can customize, change the toolbars which are in this quick access toolbar, and we can also do different things like we can restore any folder, we can minimize, we can close this PC option also. Ribbon. Ribbon quickly opens a new window. It gives us an access to File, Computer and View options. By clicking on File, it will allow us to do tasks on the window such as open new window, change folder and search options, help and close. By clicking on Computer, it will allow us to perform tasks on the windows also, such as properties and access media. And fourth, by clicking the view option, it will allow us to change layout, show or hide items and so on. File and folder. File is a collection of data, information or work performed on a computer. It can be a text, a video, an audio, an image or a program file. Now what is a folder? Folder is a storehouse or bag for storing files of the same or different types. Folders can also contain other folders inside it. These folders are called subfolders. We can form a folder in a way to sort and arrange files in a systematic order, which makes searching for files easier. It is just like our book rack, where we keep our books according to the subjects like English, science and so on. In the same way, we make folders to make a proper rack or a place to store our files. Now let's see the steps to open an application. First, we will click on the start button, which is at the left side corner of the screen. And second, a menu will appear in front of you, and now you can select your desired file or application and then press the enter key, and then your file will get open. And you can also double click on the items or any folder to open it. Steps to create a new file in a drive. First, right click anywhere in the empty space of the new volume drive. Then a drop down menu will appear. Click on New. Then another drop down menu will appear. Now click on any item other than folder and shortcut. In this case, we select Microsoft Word document. Give the file a name and press enter or click anywhere. Now your file gets created. Steps to create a folder. Open the new volume drive, then right click on an empty area on the drive, then a context menu will appear. Now go to the new option and select the folder option from the sub menu. Now quickly type the name of the folder. Now your folder or file has been added to the folder, and subfolders can also be created in the same way. Steps to rename any folder. First, right click on the folder. Second, select the rename option from the context menu and type the new name for the folder. Now press the enter key or click on an empty area on the desktop. Now your folder has been renamed. File Explorer. File Explorer is a file manager application for accessing, editing and managing data, files and other contents in a computer. It is a component of the operating system. It was previously known as Windows Explorer. With the help of File Explorer, we can access any file, we can edit any file, we can manage any data and any other content which are stored in the computer. Why so? Because it is also a component of the operating system. Creating a shortcut icon. Why we need a shortcut icon? Shortcut icons are created to easily access important files and folders. So to create the shortcut icon, there are two methods. First, creating a shortcut icon on the desktop. Second, creating a shortcut icon in a drive. Steps to create a shortcut icon on the desktop. First, select the folder for which we want to create a shortcut icon and then right click on it. Then a pull down menu will appear and then go to the Send to option. Last, now click on Desktop or Create Shortcut from the sub menu. Now your shortcut icon has been saved on the desktop. Steps to create a shortcut icon in a drive. If we want to create any shortcut icon of a folder in the new volume drive, first we have to select the folder and right click on it. Then a pull down menu will appear. Now click on the Create Shortcut. Now your shortcut icon gets saved in the new volume drive. In this way we can create shortcut icon for any kind of folder.
So children, I hope you all have understood the chapter and the steps to do the things, to rename the things, to open a new file, to do lots of things. So keep practicing, keep doing your work, and I hope you all have understood the chapter. So keep revising it. Thank you. Have a nice day.